Now let's see this other inquiry, which is quite interesting. It's just related to this supposed what do you call it? Called hot soft plasma. Let's have a look.
Thanks, Andreas. The weird thing is, one of our devices, the Bioplasm K85, has got these applicators, or similar ones actually. And I've tried it. It bloody hurts. But obviously you can't really concentrate where you are going to put your little dots. So you are going to be working inside your wrinkles and everything.
Now, a bit of a comment about that. I've actually haven't tried it. Haven't tried these applicators. We've experimented it a bit with similar things, but we didn't find that. I didn't see any added value to it, so we haven't done it. But if it's something that you want, we can actually do it, no problem. But let's have a look. So, let's see. And of course, it does hurt. If there's a spark, it's gonna hurt, depending on the frequency and other parameters. But yes, it's gonna hurt. So look.
That cause more problems, because you can't really control where you are putting your points.
That's right. I mean, if anyone has a video of it, please send it over to us, because I can't see. The reason why we have tried it and we've just abandoned it is because you cannot actually practically you cannot spread the arc over the whole surface area. So you're ending up an area which you cannot control, having basically the spark, instead of coming from the tip of the needle, is coming from a point or an area of the device which you cannot really control as well. So this is why I'm asking, does anyone have a video? That'd be quite good. I'd like to see it, because we've tried it and I'd say not sure. But let's have a look. So let's listen in.
And then the other thing, the two people that are doing this here, they are promoting it as it's not painful, which it is. I've tried it. And
now, in terms of that, it's not the first time we hear this sort of things. Basically, what I think is going on is that people are trying to, given the high competitive nature of the business, people are trying to find the edge, and so they're trying different things to find the edge in a very competitive market. So I think this is what's going on. But we actually, I remember I think it's 10 years ago now. 10 to 9 years ago, when they first done it in Italy, then they used to say to do it without any topical anesthetic altogether, because I mean, some people were even claiming that it was not as painful, and so it's not the first time we hear it. When people are trying to get the edge, they say things that are not true. But anyway, let's listen.
But there is no downtime, yet they are getting quite nice results. So I'm a little bit confused.
Yes, I'd say, and this is only my opinion. I don't think there's any merit to it. I don't think we've tried it. I don't think there's any merit of doing it that way. But if anyone wants it, if we find real demand on the market, we're actually going to provide it. But we haven't actually done it because we don't find any real use of it. So hopefully that answers the question. Hopefully that really clarifies the situation.